So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. Today, we'll be looking at repairing a badly damaged wooden door frame. To complete this task, you'll need a chisel, filler knife, 2-part wood filler, an orbital sander, 120 grit sandpaper, white primer, and some white gloss. Right, as you can see, the door frame is badly damaged on the frame's edge. Just before filming, I've scraped the paint off to leave bare timber. This is to enable the filler we apply every chance of keying to the door frame. The filler I tend to use is this one. When mixing, always mix about an inch of hardener to the size of a golf ball of filler. Start to apply the filler moving down the frame and try to leave it as smooth as you can, which is difficult as the filler is a sticky substance. The filler is now applied. It's a bit untidy, but it's okay. As it starts to set, start to scrape the filler off straight. It's still soft at this point and scrapes off easily. Don't scrape off too much, just enough to see if there is any deep holes that need refilling. As you can see, there's a few holes on both sides. So, I've applied more filler to the areas that need it. It's looking better. When the filler is set, using an orbital sander with 120 grit sandpaper, sand the filler back until it's flat with the rest of the frame. Okay, we're looking good. Just to finish off, by hand, gently take the sharp edge off the filled area. Okay, we're ready to paint. As we've sanded back to timber, apply some white primer. Now, this may take a couple of coats to cover the repaired area, as there's bare timber on show. When dry, apply a finish coat using whatever's needed. In this case, it's white gloss. Quick shout out to my new cameraman. He ain't as good as the last one. Mind, it's safe to say he won't last long. It's the hardest I've seen him work all week. All done, as good as new. As we say in the Black Country, that's busted. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like. drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.